This is a tutorial on how to use your phone to record your voice and then upload it to Google Drive so that you can insert the audio into a Google slide. Now, I am using an Android. iPhone has similar functions, similar apps, so the process that I'm going to show you can apply to any one of them. There are a number of different apps, same technique. In the Android, if you go to the Play Store, there are a number of different voice recorders that are free that you can install on your phone. I have installed 3 different recorders to kind of give you a look at them. This particular one just shows the files with their names and lengths and has a record button. And the third one, Voice Recorder Pro, has a record button, a stop button, and some graphics. They all have kind of the same approach, the same strategy. So I'm going to use this one to illustrate what you need to do. First, get the app and then figure out how to set what type of file it's creating so you can output. Now for Google Slide, it needs to be an MP3. So you got to find the record file type and make sure that MP3 is selected. I know that many of the new devices default to an M4A format, which is a higher quality, but that M4A format won't work in Google Slide and you would have to convert it. Once I know that I have it set to MP3, I will push the record button. When I push the record button, it'll turn into a stop button. When I click stop, I'll be asked to save the file name. So I push the record button. I push stop and it prompts a file name, and so I can name it right away, and it saves it as part of the app. So if I want to listen to how it sounds, it'll give me a test. It'll give me information on it, everything I need to know. So I go, wow, that sounds good. I click the little button. I look for the one that I want. There it is. I named it Name MP3. And so I want to look for the share. It's always the share. It can be found. It can be an icon at the bottom. It's that share icon. And it'll give me access to my drive. So when I click my drive, I find the place that I want to place it. For those of you who are using student accounts, it's really important that you choose the correct account here. So when you set up the app and you are going to save it to your drive, make sure that it is your student account that you are saving it to. Save the file, and now it is being uploaded to my drive so that I can refer to it later. Again, the type of app you use isn't as important as understanding that it needs to be linked to your student drive and it needs to be recorded in MP3 format.